8 cleaning tricks that'll make your device look awesome again. We've all been in this situation. You buy a brand new and beautiful gadget, but it looks completely different just a month later. Thanks, dust and dirt. But don't worry, there are a couple of genius cleaning hacks for pretty much every device out there. Just a couple of minutes and your phone or keyboard will look like they came straight out of the box. So, do you want to find out these magical cleaning tricks? Then keep watching. But before we breathe life into your old gadgets, click subscribe and turn on that little notification bell. Now you'll always be the first to see all the news coming daily from the bright side of life. Number 8. Clean your speakers using a lint roller. Speakers aren't only an outstanding device for your favorite music, they're also a magnet for all the dust on the planet. Seriously, how do they always end up so dirty? And cleaning them is a real challenge too. Dusters or paper towels are basically no help, and they somehow make the speakers look even worse. In this situation, it's a simple lint roller that will come to your rescue. Just roll it over the speakers and it will get all the dust off. Moreover, this procedure can seriously improve the sound quality. One more reason to try it out right now. Number 7. Clean your earbuds using a toothbrush. A toothbrush is great not only for your teeth, but for your earbuds as well. There are a lot of hard-to-reach areas there, which is why they're so hard to clean properly. But not with a toothbrush. Put a piece of paper or a towel on the table, unplug your earbuds, and gently scrub them with a toothbrush. Use circular sweeping motions. Don't wet your toothbrush or you can damage your earbuds. Dry scrubbing will clean everything up just fine. Be especially careful with the ear openings. If you brush these areas too hard, you can push earwax and all the other dirt and dust deeper into them, which will make it almost impossible to clean them. This method of cleaning is also very helpful for your phone, specifically for your loudspeaker, SIM card slot, and volume buttons. Don't forget that if you want to use this toothbrush for regular cleanings, you should put it through a dishwasher or boil it for a while to clean it. By the way, just so you know, toothbrushes with nylon bristles are the best for cleaning purposes because nylon breaks up static electricity. This makes the cleaning as safe for the device as it can be. Number 6. Clean wires using an eraser. Wires, especially earphone wires, are usually quite tricky. Not everything will work for them, and the obvious choices like pricey cleaners containing alcohol can make the situation even worse. After such cleanings, the wires very often become sticky, or, even worse, the device stops working altogether. In reality, the solution isn't that hard to find. It's right on your desk, and it's an eraser. It will clean all the dirt right off your earphones in seconds, making them perfectly white, black, or brightly colored again. Number 5. Clean your headphone jack using an interdental brush. Let's finish our earphones topic with the headphone jack. This is definitely one of the most problematic areas. Your task is to clean everything inside without damaging any of the delicate details that can render the headphone jack completely useless. And you can achieve all of this with an interdental brush. The main advantage is that it's pretty much the same shape and size as the headphone jack itself, which makes it perfect for cleaning your gadget gently and carefully. Just don't forget to turn your device off before your big clean. Number 4. Clean your keyboard using tape. We all spend an unbelievable amount of time in front of a computer screen, whether it's for work, studying, or fun. And a lot of us enjoy a snack while surfing the internet. As a result, after a month of regularly using a brand new keyboard, it looks like a complete mess. But it's going to be fine if you have some Scotch tape. No matter how impossible it seems to pull all the dirt and crumbs out of the areas in between the keys, Scotch tape will do it in one simple move. You can also use sticky notes. Make sure you put it on your keyboard with the sticky side facing both toward you and away from you. This will double the effect. Number 3. Clean your gadget screen with a microfiber cloth. A lot of people make the mistake of using a paper towel to clean their device's screen. Never do that again. True, paper towels get rid of dust, but they can bring even more serious problems: tiny and annoying scratches. Instead, use microfiber cloths. They will be just as effective and won't leave any unwanted scratches or spots. The same goes for coffee filters. They don't contain any napped fabric, thus providing soft cleaning and making your gadget screen look as neat as it was when you bought it. Number 2. Clean USB ports using a self-made plate. Just like headphone jacks, USB ports are really sensitive areas on your devices, so you should think twice before finding methods to clean them. However, you can still do everything by yourself. Just make a plate to help you. All you need is an elastic stick or plate, super glue, and something synthetic for the cleaning itself. Stickum, for example. Apply stickum to the stick or plate, which should be a bit narrower than the USB post itself. Don't forget to spread the glue evenly on the stickum so that there are no bumps that can make it difficult to remove the plate from the USB port afterward. When the glue dries, it's cleaning time. Put the stickum side of the plate into the USB port, pull it out, and enjoy your super clear device. Number 1. Clean your glass phone screen with paper. Glass phone screen should be treated very carefully, since it's not that hard to leave a giant scratch there, even if you don't do anything major. And cleaning them is no exception. You should be very picky about the material you're going to use. However, the good news is that you don't need any expensive cloths with the one-of-a-kind cleaners that cost a fortune, because a simple piece of paper that can be found in any house is exactly what you're looking for. It's also a great way to get rid of existing scratches. Just rub the paper on the screen in circular motions. After a couple of minutes, they will disappear. There's only one huge disclaimer here. Paper only works for glass screens. Never use it for plastic or liquid crystal displays. These types of screens have their own characteristics that should be treated differently. So for liquid crystal displays, mix distilled water and white vinegar in a 1-to-1 ratio and put this mixture in a spray bottle. Turn off your device, find a soft cloth, spray the mixture onto it, and wipe the screen. Do not spray the mixture directly on the screen. Always onto the cloth first. And there you go! The screen is clear again. You can turn the gadget back on when the screen dries. But back to cleaning scratches, there's another great way to do it: polishing cream. Once again, turn your device off and cover all the ports and buttons with painter's tape. After that, put a little bit of polishing cream on the screen and rub it with circular motions using a soft napkin. And those are all the cleaning hacks for your gadgets you need to know. If you want to keep your devices clean at all times, make sure to do this at least once every 1 or 2 weeks. Unfortunately, there's no effective way to prevent your phone, computer, or tablet from getting dirty, or at least from getting dirty less quickly. So a regular cleaning routine is the only way to make sure that the dirt and dust don't pile up and make your gadgets look like a complete mess. And what about you? Do you have any device cleaning tricks of your own? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and share it with your friends and family so that their gadgets will look awesome at all times too. And don't forget to click subscribe for more fun and informative Brightside videos. That's all for now, but we'll see you soon.